We're from Tuscany, the northern part of Tuscany. The main city is Lucca. It was fun. Coming from a small town, it's a very close-knit community. You know everybody. It's nice to grow up in a small community, and it has the downside too. If you do something wrong, everybody look at you. The store goes back probably late 1800. It was a barn. Guidi purchased it and turned into an olive oil factory in 1931. Guidi came up here more for retirement than really for a job opportunity. His family in Italy, from his mother's side, they were a big olive oil producer in the city of Lucca. So when he saw this olive going to waste, he thought that he had in his DNA to make olive oil. But he did it more as an hobby than really as a job. They loved up here. He loved the area. Looked so much like the area in Tuscany that he grew up. He would make the trip to the city probably 1 or 2 times a week. That was before even the Golden Gate Bridge was built. He would bring, cheese and salami and other products that were not available in the valley. And so when people start seeing the cheese and salami, they'll start asking, oh, when next time you come, would you bring me salami or would you bring me a piece of cheese? Finally got it that, why don't I carry in the store? And he says, really, the business took off. And to this day, local people call us the cheese place or the cheese factory. The oil came to be appreciated when people start talking, chefs start talking, and on TV they were starting, with probably the food channel. I'm amazed how knowledge our people about the different kind of oil, the different kind of olives. I assume that 90% of people will use olive oil. We come early in the morning, and that's the best time for us to set it up for the day ahead. The customers start coming more around lunchtime, a little before. The people coming in and say, oh my God, it's so hot. And you kind of dress accordingly, but it hasn't been that easy. The cheese survived it well because we have it inside the cooler. But this last year, we had some day that the store got to almost 100. We're really looking forward to have finally a little bit of a cool inside the store and a little warmth in the winter. So we're looking forward to that. I've already experienced their workmanship, the way they work, because they put air conditioning in my house professionally and neat. It was so nice. When they come in, it's almost like they're not been there. You live at 9 and it doesn't look, everything is nice and neat and efficient. And I knew what we were getting into it because I've seen it before. We were really excited about it, yeah. The valley has a lot to offer. And I think our store has some very good product that people might not find in other places. And we like, the tradition to go by. I love when people say, I used to come with my grandparents, and now I'm bringing the grandkids. And I hope it will keep on going for so many more years, who knows. La famiglia è molto importante. È importante per essere felici, è importante perché si aiuta con la famiglia. 100 anni ancora, sì, bravo.